Do you know your everyday life depends on invisible highways powered by AI? From the coffee you drink in the morning to the phone in your pocket, every item has traveled across the world through a vast, interconnected supply chain. For decades, these systems relied almost entirely on human oversight, manual planning, human drivers, and human coordination. Every delay, every miscommunication, every storm or traffic jam could ripple across continents, causing shortages, price spikes, or worse. But today, AI is changing everything, and cars, trucks, and autonomous vehicles are at the center of this revolution. AI trucks don't sleep. They don't take breaks. They move day and night, guided by predictive algorithms that anticipate road conditions, weather, and port congestion. If a storm shuts down a seaport in Singapore, an AI system instantly calculates alternative routes through Malaysia or Indonesia. If a bridge collapses in Europe, convoys reroute without a second's hesitation. These are not just hypothetical scenarios. This is happening now. It's not only speed and efficiency. AI supply chains are becoming a new form of global defense. In a world where disruptions can delay medicine, food, or essential electronics, AI ensures stability. Cars and trucks equipped with smart sensors guard cargo, scanning for tampering and alerting control centers to any irregularities. Drones fly overhead, analyzing packages, recording security data, and even guiding trucks around potential hazards. AI systems communicate with each other, coordinating convoys like a synchronized ballet of machines. Imagine glowing convoys crossing continents, night highways lit by neon headlights, moving like living streams of data. Ports where robotic cranes talk directly to ships, lifting containers in perfect rhythm. Warehouses that organize themselves, sorting billions of packages with robotic arms and forklifts, working in seamless harmony. Autonomous cargo ships glide through fog and icy waters, docking with AI precision. Every element is connected, optimized, and monitored. AI doesn't just follow pre-programmed routes, it predicts them. Using data from weather satellites, traffic cameras, and satellite imagery, AI reroutes shipments before a delay even occurs. It reduces waste, prevents spoilage, and ensures that global supply chains operate at near-perfect efficiency. What used to take hours of human oversight now happens in milliseconds. And yet, this level of control raises profound questions. Who designs these AI networks? Who ensures their ethical operation? If AI is entrusted with the lifelines of global trade, what happens if it makes a mistake? Or if someone with malicious intent tries to interfere?